This is the life. Oh, hey, I'm Brian Hawkins. Welcome to another episode of Sunny Spaces at Sun Outdoors Pigeon Forge. Thanks for being with us here in Tennessee at another Sun Outdoors location in Pigeon Forge. I'm gonna get dried off. Let's take a look around the place. That's better. All right, you guys, come on inside. Let's check out this deluxe model. So this particular vacation rental is gonna sleep six. If you're gonna start in the living room, entertainment center type space, you have a full-size couch with a queen-size bed that comes right out of the couch itself, air conditioning and heating right here in the mini split, and then for a nice summer breeze, you're gonna have an overhead ceiling fan. It's always nice to have a little wind circulation coming throughout the house, even when it's hot outside. Perfect to have that inside the house. And then as we come in, you're gonna notice a couple things. Full galley kitchen, real granite countertops, real wood cabinets, full-size microwave and fridge with a 2-burner cooktop. So make sure kids aren't just running around everywhere, putting their hands all over the countertop all the time. Just be safe every once in a while, right? It's nice to do that. So as we come down, full basin sink as well. And again, real wood cabinets. You guys, there's so much flipping storage throughout this thing. So if you're here for a couple days or even a week at a time for a full 6 people, easily can fit everything in there. I have like 184 drinks inside the fridge right now just for 3 days. So I guarantee you for your family, you're gonna be just fine. All right, you guys, there are 2 main level bedrooms in this vacation rental. So in this one in particular, you have a queen size bed, air conditioning and heating right here with your own mini split right above the bed and a ceiling fan for a nice little extra breeze. Quartz countertop. Obviously you gotta have a TV in here when you're tired at night and just wanna watch the highlights, right? And for my guys that are really here, even if it's just for a weekend, you gotta have a place for your shoes. Clearly, everybody knows that, jeez. And then you have a place here to hang up your clothes, put your suitcase, a couple of shirts, a couple of jackets, depending on the weather and the time of year. You got a place to put everything that you need right here. You also have, for my guys, and my guys that are gonna geek about when they forget their car charger or phone charger or anything else to charge your tablets and devices, USB ports, regular outlets, and C ports in particular. So no matter how you charge your devices, you have it set up with little sconces right next to the bed on both sides. You also have the bathroom right next door, huge full-size glass shower doors, nice tile, rainfall water head over the top of it. It's just a perfect setup with that. Now let's go check out the other main level bedroom. All right, now we're in the second main level bedroom. You have a bunk bed on one side, regular twin bed over the top on the other. So all 3 are twin beds. You can have kids or adults, whoever fits in a twin size bed. Ladders on both sides coming up and down. Just don't be a superhero and jump off the top, all right? I know they have capes and everybody wants to do crazy stuff when kids go to bed. Just don't do it, okay? But you fit everyone there, and then underneath you have a place for storage, place to play on your games, your laptops, play with your toys, do whatever it is. There's a place for kids to be in here all the time, and you have outlets to charge everything. You're good to go. All right, here in the living room area, entertainment center area, you have a TV that'll swivel back and forth, so whether you're at the table or down on that couch, you're gonna have a great view of what's happening live. And then you have room for 4 people to just kind of hang out, take in a meal. You guys, this is a phenomenal place for 6 people to stay. Let's go check out some of the other options available here at Sun Outdoors Pigeon Forge. This is the 1-bedroom deluxe cabin with a spacious loft. Let's go take a look inside. So as you're coming in, you're gonna notice a very rustic look and feel. A lot of darker wood, exposed timbers, everything else throughout, but you have a main level bedroom with the loft space. Remember to bring your own linens and sheets for this particular rental, but we have them set up right now just to give you an idea of what this looks like. As you're walking in, you're gonna notice a lot of natural light coming in through these tall windows. So much rustic wood and exposed timbers throughout, and I really like the offset colors here in the kitchen of your black appliances for your fridge, microwave, and range. Electric cooktop, single basin sink, which is pretty big. Obviously, you gotta have the coffee pot, get yourself going in the morning, whatever that is gonna take. And then you have room for 4 people to just sit down, play a game, eat a meal, watch TV, just kind of relax. You can fit up to 6 people in this particular unit with a queen size bed on the main level bedroom and then a huge loft with 2 full-size beds. Again, remember to bring your own linens for this particular unit, but we have them set up right now just to give you a look and feel of what that is. And then as you rotate this way, you got plenty of room in the living room with full-size couch, another chair underneath the stairs. You just got a place to nice kind of relax, take it in. Let's head upstairs and check out the loft. All right, you have a cart in between the beds here. If you didn't know how it worked, you just go back and forth. If you need to put a glass of water, charge your phone, whatever that is, this is the place to put that. Full-size beds on both sides, fan up top, entertainment center right here as well. Let's go check out the bedroom and bathroom setup downstairs. This main level bedroom has a queen-size bed, lighting on both sides with sconces up top, nice artwork on the wall, and then the exposed beams really give you that rustic look and feel that you're going for in this deluxe cabin space. Little entertainment center and place for storage as well. And then you have the main level bathroom right across the way with a stand-up shower hooked up for regular utilities. Let's go take a look at the back porch. We're out here on the back porch of this deluxe cabin in Pigeon Forge. There are so many different things to take a look at as you just enjoy the view, check out the pools, the ponds. You have a place for the kids to play, the basketball courts, playgrounds, little bouncy houses in the middle of the resort as well. And then there are so many things to do off resort when you get into Pigeon Forge in the town. You have crazy things like Dollywood, Hatfields and McCoys if you're in a little dinner and a show as well. You're just about 30 minutes from Gatlinburg, so you have the Smoky Mountains, tons of hikes, so many sights to see while you're here. And then I got one more thing here on resort that I gotta show you guys that I can't wait for you to see. Let's go take a look. All right, we're up here on the aerial adventure course at Sun Outdoors Pigeon Forge. This ropes course is awesome. Whether you're young or old, there's something for you to enjoy here. Thanks for being on another tour at Sunny Spaces at Sun Outdoors Pigeon Forge. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to that new channel and check out all the amazing content there. We'll see you guys in the next one. Actually, can someone just help me down? Anybody? Somebody, can you help me out of here real quick?